Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Fakrullah Befaisal Reza from CDIM 2623ST1, and today I'm going to explain about the optimism-pessimism rule. Before we start, what is the optimism-pessimism rule is, and what kind of rule is this? Imagine you are facing a tough decision, but you don't know the likelihood of success or failure for any option. How do you choose? This is where the optimism-pessimism rules, known as the Hulwich criterion, can help. The optimism-pessimism rule is a decision-making method that combines optimism and pessimism to find a balance. It is widely used in management, economics, and everyday life. This rule is based on a key factor called the Hurwitz coefficient, represented by alpha. This coefficient measures how optimistic or pessimistic a decision maker is. If alpha equal to 1, the decision maker is fully optimistic, focusing only on the best possible outcome. If alpha equal to 0, they are fully pessimistic, focusing on the worst case scenario. Most people fall somewhere in between, balancing the two. Here are the formula for this optimism-pessimism rule. The rule combines the best and the worst outcomes using this formula. H is the score for each option, calculated by multiplying alpha with the best outcome, and 1 minus alpha with the worst outcome. The decision maker chooses the option with the highest score. Let's see the example of optimism-pessimism rule in real-life situation. Let's say the manager is choosing between 3 projects. The table shows the best and the worst payoffs for each project. To decide, the manager used the optimism-pessimism rule with alpha equal to 0.6, leaning slightly optimistic. For project A, the score is calculated as alpha equal to 0.6 multiplied by 100 plus 0.4 multiplied by 20 equal to 68. Moving on, we're using the same formula for project B, and the final score for project B is 60. And for the project C, the final score is 52. After calculating the scores for all projects, the manager finds that project A has the highest score. So project A is the best choice based on the optimism-pessimism rule. The optimism-pessimism rule is a powerful tool for decision making under uncertainty. It is flexible, allowing decision makers to adjust based on their optimism or pessimism. However, it requires subjective input for the coefficient alpha, which might differ from person to person. In conclusion, the optimism-pessimism rule helps balance risk and rewards, making it a practical tool for decision where probabilities are unknown. The next time you are facing a tough decision, give it a try. That is all for me. Thank you for watching.